Thank you for giving me an opportunity to present myself. I would like to tell you that rubber wall industry, our company is based in Dubai. We have started in 1993 and we manufacture mostly elastomeric rubber insulation. And from there we have grown fourfold. The first thing, we have a factory in Ajman. The second factory, UFlex, that is also in Ajman. And based on the business popped up or business blow up, we started our factory in Sri Lanka. From Sri Lanka, we are trying to cater our business in Southeast Asia, mostly Philippines, Bangladesh, and recently we are also targeting Africa from Sri Lanka. And this company specifically G-Flex, as you said, you have highlighted the right question, why is it rubber wall and why it is G-Flex. The thing is, in India, to make business more feasible, because it's always the ease of business what people look here, and with the G-Flex we are trying to import our product so that it can be delivered right at the doorstep of the customer, because we always treat customer first in our business. So that is a strategy we have adopted in India right now. And this ACREX, it is giving us a good opportunity, good exposure to all our customers who are previous, our old customers, new customers, and the customers which are going to happen through this exhibition. So we're looking forward for a very good business in coming days. Basically, as I said, our head office manufactures many products. Totally, we have 80 products. So when it comes to Sri Lanka, from where we import in India, we have major two products, that is nitrile rubber insulation and tubes and sheets we manufacture. So as you know, India is a big market for the products and we have a very big volume and a lot of coastal cities where you have a very humid climate and we have a lot of competitors here. Even having competitors in India, our product is far more competitive in terms of price, quality, in terms of delivery and everything. We have three manufacturing facilities. One is rubber wall industry, that is in Dubai. The second one is United Air Conditioning, that is in Ajman. And the third factory is in Sri Lanka, where we have got per day output of around 2,000 boxes from Sri Lanka, per day output of around 2,000 boxes and approximate 1,000 rolls in Dubai. And a lot of duct manufacturing units that runs 24/7 continuously. And we are catering almost 56% to Middle East market. And compared to SAARC nations and Africa, we are catering around 30 to 35%. Business development in India. Specifically the G-Flex company, what we have established in India, we have come here with a scope and a hope. There are a lot of coastal cities in India where our demand is much more for our product. And this product specifically, when it comes to last 2 years, we have seen a scope in automotive industry, specifically automotive and the food grade gaskets and all. These are having a very good scope in future also. There are some products, for example, the same product what we are using in HVAC field, the same product we have realized has got much more potential in automotive industry. So we are supplying to the people who are making OEM for automotive industry. Now these automotive industry suppliers are all our customers who are located in India in various parts of various states. So these people regularly buy from us. And when it comes to strategy, we are working on 3 terms: long term, short term and medium term. So medium term strategy is all about establishing the channelized partners, and short term strategy is to market the product through various platforms available in India through the existing network. So, we never know that a lot of countries are facing inflation. Specifically, this inflation is due to the thing that they don't have food. Specifically, if you compare to Africa, where there is no food, and if you compare to some developing countries where there is a wastage of food. Now, to match this imbalance, what the world bodies have suggested to build the cold storages where they're going to store the food grains. For example, if you're going to store apple in a open air, so you will be getting a shelf life of only 3 to 4 days. But if you store in cold storage, you can store it up to 1 month or 2 months. So we can believe in 1 month or 2 months you can supply it to any country of your choice, where you can quench the hunger of people who are denied the supplies. Specifically, when it comes to ducting insulation, this industry has been a very traditional People are using only GI ducts where they use some kind of glue, Foster glue, then various kinds of insulation. Right now, the nitrile rubber from last 10 years, we have been a very good demand, and in coming days, there may be a pickup of nitrile, including all those sheets and standards, what we can talk. And specifically, when it comes to 2023, 24, 25, we may see the pickup of nitrile rubber just because of the properties of thermal insulation, what it carries. And specifically for nitrile rubber, we have a good competition from say XLP as well as EPDM. But still, NBR is able to maintain its monopoly in the market when it comes to ducting insulation. In our company, generally we manufacture nitrile rubber insulation, and that nitrile rubber insulation, it's a plain insulation where specifically when some chemicals are added, components become fire retardant, and some people are asking what kind of green certifications we have. For that purpose, we need to make some changes in that, and when some ask how your product is UV retardant, there we make use of some kind of layers, so that layers depends on what kind of application we are using in. So you can say this kind of base material will remain same. For example, if I take a camera, the total principle remains the same, but overall the structure, overall the aesthetics keep on changing. So that aesthetics is just to attract the consumers. So we are also following the same strategy, like the base material is same of nitrile rubber, but making additions like layer wise or something that makes a difference. So it is not maybe called innovation, or you can call it a sub innovation, because it's not a new product, we are building on the same old product. Now there is something called as green energy goals everywhere, so where people are controlling the pollution and we are moving in a sustainable manner. So one thing what we have to look is our product should not harm the nature in a long run, so that we'll have a sustainable future for our kids, next upcoming generations. So for that, our product is specifically VOC free, our product is CFC free, and it is not making any harmful to this ozone layer. So for that, we have got a lot of certifications. You can refer our catalog for more information. For the coming year, based on the report what I have studied, that report specifically focuses on Indian industry from 2023 to 2033. The HVAC industry is going to jump like threefold or a fourfold, specifically when it comes to cooling, and like building supply chain containers, where we have refrigerated containers traversing all over the world. It is not only about the food, it is also about some medicines, where it is produced in one country, transported to other country, it has to be maintained in one temperature. So all those things are taking place. So apart from that, when it comes to food industry, we are wasting a lot of food. So a lot of people have got awareness that we should not waste food. Based on that, they are trying to store food as much as possible for a longer time, so which makes food consumption in a sustainable manner. We have participated in ACREX hopefully in 2015 and 2017. I'm not exactly sure about the dates, but this is the first time I'm attending ACREX with our company HVAC Pvt Ltd. Based on the response in last 2 days, I'm like surprised that there was a much more footfall. Even after having our stall at the back end of this floor plan, we ended up receiving almost 200 to 300 actual customers who can be our future and potential clients. So I express my thank you to our ACREX team for organizing this exhibition, and we hopeful that we will be coming in the future for such kind of shows.